Let's see if I can show you what it was. It's gone. Oh, no, there we go. If you look right here, right dead smack in the middle of this shot, there's a drone. And drones do feed themselves. Some people say they don't, but that's a myth. And let's just see if we can get in there. Show you the drone. See if you can see it. Oh, there it goes. So you can see the drone's tongue. Oh, there we go. Okay, you decided to move. Oh, well. Come on, everybody. What's it doing? Oh, now he's going to fly away. There, it flew away. Anyway, the drone was, it was feeding itself, just like these bees are feeding themselves off this old frame of honey. I've got a box, I got a couple boxes of old frames that I had to pull out of my hives because the bees are backfilling their brood nest with pollen. So much pollen coming in. I'm concerned that they're going to swarm. So I pulled out a lot of the pollen and some little bits of leftover honey here. And you can see here. This is so you can see too. I'm not wearing any protective clothing at all. And the bees are, when they're eating old frames like this or digging into flowers or anything like that, they're not in a stingy mode. They're not protecting their hive. So you can just go to town with them like this and just whoop. And they're not trying to sting you. They're not defensive at all. So you can stick your finger right in here. Oh, hey, buddy, what you doing? Right. And this is they do the same thing if they were on flowers. They're just trying to collect nectar, and in this case, honey. So I'm just leaving it out for them. I got it a far distance from my hives because this sort of thing, when it's closer to the hives, it can trigger robbing behavior, and then they'll just attack. They'll sneak into the other hives and start stealing honey from other bees. But at a fair distance, it's not a big deal. And that's what's going on here. So I can pull up a frame. There we go. So there's another frame. There's a little patch of honey that they're just cleaning out. And I have so much drawn comb now because I've reduced my hives from 10 to, well, I'm down to 4 now, and I like it. It's just less work. And in these blistering hot days, it's just like, I'm glad to have only 4 hives to fart around with than 10. So, that's what's going on here. Yep.